Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Frigidaire brand dryer and it's giving you an E12 error either on the digital display or if you don't have it on the digital display via the lights blinking, and you're wondering what is this E12 error and what do I need to do to clear it out of here and get my dryer working again. So first of all, the E12 error, what is it? So this is an error with the electronic control board that is unable to communicate properly with the rest of the dryer, which means your control board may need to be replaced. But before you go into that step, the first thing to do is to just do a hard reset on your dryer, which is to just turn it off and disconnect it from power completely for at least 5 minutes to reset the control board. Once you've done that, go ahead and power up your dryer again and try to run a cycle. And if this error persists, then at that point you're going to have to replace the control board, which is a moderately hard thing to do, but if you feel up to it, you can do it. I'll go ahead and put a link in the description in terms of how to get to a tutorial for specifically replacing the control board.